Right, okay. I've got one like this. I've got a coffee, like not percolator, just a coffee press, which is a stainless steel and quite bulky. So I've been looking at these, or yeah, this has come up. I think it was Hayes Outdoors was doing a bit of an advert. Well, not an advert, but a video on one of these, and very impressed with it. So I thought, well, I'll get one and have a look because we do like a nice cup of coffee when we're out. I've not opened it; it's just came through. So I'm just getting in focus. So it's delicious coffee everywhere, anywhere. As I say, yeah. So work, travel. We've got a bit of a glare on the light there. Outdoors. I don't know if you're doing an aeroplane. I don't know they'd let you do that, but anyway. 3 easy steps. So just tells you what to do. Add coffee and water, stir and brew, press coffee into mug. Okay, the AeroPress is an amazingly versatile device that makes extraordinary coffee. Okay, how do we do it? Anyway, so we have a look what's inside. 1 to 3 cups of coffee, depending on how big the cup is, I suppose. What do you get? So here we go. This is what you get inside. We haven't looked yet. That's in. Just trying to get rid of that glare. Okay, package includes AeroPress coffee maker, mug, leg, scoop, stirrer, filter holder, and 350 papers. Okay, let's have a. Told you I hadn't opened it. Oh, here we go. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Okey-dokey. Nice little message there. You see that? So, well, the camera's not focusing very well. Thank you for choosing AeroPress. To see the demo, you can go to demo.aeropress.com. Filters in lid. Okay. Let's come out. There's your filters. Okay. And there's your manual by the look of it. That's it. Hot and cold brewing with the AeroPress Go. Okay. Aero? It is Aero, isn't it? It's all different in languages. Okay, let's have a look what's in. So you got your filters. Let's get this down a bit. So I'm not going to open them up. We know there's filters in there. Let's have a look what's in this beaut, shall we? So this is where you can put your filters, is it? I believe, is it? I need to read the instructions, don't I? Oh, there we go. Yeah. So you can put some filters in there. That must go on the bottom. That's your plunger, by the look of it. There we go. So, this is, ooh, blimey. Okay. So I take it that just fits on there like that. And then you put your coffee, you put your filter in that. We'll have a go at this later. Screw it on. That fits on there like that. Get your scoop. Scoop your coffee. Pop it in there. I'm looking at just guessing this. And then that's your stirrer. I'll have to have a look. So that's your stirrer. I'm going to have a look at this. Let's have a little look of a play. Okay, so just in case anybody's lost their sort of instructions. 1, flush plunger out of chamber. 2, put filter in the bottom of the cap. No problem. 3, twist filler cap onto chamber with the filter in it, of course. 4, so we can stand. Stand chamber on the mug and put the rounded scoop of a fine grind coffee in the chamber. Oh, I see. So you put that in the scoop by the look of it. Okay. Put 1 rounded scoop of a fine grind coffee in the chamber. Shake till level. Add water. 175 degrees water to temperature of blue. 7. Stir about 10 seconds. Hot brewing. Insert the plunger, press gently, push and remove the filter and push the plunge to eject. And there we go. And 10. So you've got espresso, American, add water and make 8 ounces. Latte. And there we go. Right. So you get everything there you need. All you gotta do is buy your coffee. And it's very versatile by the look of it. So let's pack it away and let's see what it looks like. So it can stay on there, can't it? Goes on top, put some filters in. We're going to try this new AeroPress out. So first we need to do, we're going to grind some coffee beans. So I've got to get myself a bit of a pack really, so I can put in it. So I need 2 scoops of beans. Should be enough. Pop the lid on. And I'm going to grind these. I'm not going to show me doing this forever, but this is what happens. And then you grind them, and then if you can see, I don't know if you can see in the glass there, it starts to accumulate with the coffee beans crushed. Take the handle off and the lid off. They sit in little segments in there, and then in the bottom, I'll just show you this. There's some grinding teeth, and it just pops through and ends up in there. When all the beans have been ground, it just goes silent. No more crunchy noise. Okay, take the lid off. Take 1 filter, pop it in there. Pop that out. Pop that in there. We got the spoons and the scissors. Put that on top. Just got that. There we go. Right, okay, so all we've done is put the filter on. Put that on. Put that on. Come back a bit. Coffee beans in. To the level, and then get some. I'm going to put 2 cups in, so I'm going to have 2 shots. a bit over. Actually, let's put 3 in because it's not a lot. I did quite a few. There we go. Then the stirrer. If I'm doing it wrong, please tell me in the comments down below. Alright. Oh, it's only 2. Right, settle for a bit. Put the plunger on. As soon as you put it on, look, it's starting to push down because of the pressure in the top. But the longer you leave it, the more it's called steeping, is it? Steeping? The stronger the coffee. Okay, we'll give that. I like a bit of milk with mine, so I'm going to give it a go. Take it to the tap, undo that. Clean as a whistle. Took 2 seconds. Okay. Okay, I have 1 small sugar, a little bit of milk in mine, and that tastes absolutely beautiful. Jane's just going to give you a bit of, well, she's going to give you a bit of a taste. Tell me what you think. Want to try that?
Is there enough for me?
Yeah, just give it a go. I can give you some in a cup. Have we got some in there?
Yeah, a bit. Look.
Tell me what you think of that. It's really nice. I like it.
Yeah, it's all right.
What, not strong enough or what?
Yeah, it's all right. It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I prefer Nescafe, you see. Just me.
Well, it's just different beans.
Do you want me to say something? Or
No, it's fine. No, you tell the truth. It's fine.
You're recording now?
Yeah. You told the truth. She prefers Nescafe. Traitor.
Actually, I think it's Kenko.
I think the beans are a bit... I've had the beans a while now, haven't we? No, they should be all fine. They should be fine.
No, it's getting better. It's just got the other one in there.
All right, okay. Brown Bear, Blue Mountain, roast strength 3. Oh, so they're not over.
Better in the wood.
They're not over strong. It's medium roast. So there we go. Okay, if you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. This AeroPress is brilliant. I can't fault it at all. They all pack together nicely. So superb. Thank you very much for watching. If you did, subscribe and notification bell, and come up with videos coming up. Take care. Bye.